Hi Maker, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a slouchy fleece beanie. Yes, it's like the traditional beanie, but just a little more slouchy. For this project, you will need the following. You will need 1/3 of a yard of fleece. I like to check the remnant bin for some great deals. It's a good way to save a little cash. Fleece Fun's free pattern that you can download off of FleeceFun.com. I'll have a link to that at the end of the video. And of course, sewing essentials, scissors, pins, sewing machine, that sort of thing. All right, once you have all those items, it's time to get started. And by the way, this project is so fast. I would do more than one hat at a time. I would just knock out a bunch. It's that fast and easy. Step 1, assemble the free pattern and cut out the pieces. Decide on the size of slouchy beanie that you're making and cut to that line. On folded cloth, pin the pattern and cut it out. So you should have 2 of the pattern pieces cut out. All right, so once you have that cut out in the size that you want, it's time to start sewing. Step 2, sew the sides of the hat together. Pin right sides together. Using a 1/2 inch seam allowance, sew each side of the hat, the long curved side, to the point before it dips into a V. Be sure to leave the bottom, the brim, open. All right, looks good. Let's sew the top. The top V is what I call it, the top V shut. Step 3, sew the top and bottom. Now that you've sewn the sides of the fleece hat, it's time to close the top. Fold the hat in half so the seams you just sewed are now touching. Pin the V on each side closed. Sew one seam along the top of the hat, closing the V on both sides. This will make the rounded top. It's a lot like a box corner. All right, looks good. Now we're just gonna take care of the brim. Now make the brim. Turn the brim edge under 1 inch, or more or less if you like. Then pin and sew a zigzag stitch over the edge of the fabric to finish off the hat. Snip any loose threads and turn right side out. And you just finished the Slouchy Beanie DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one. And that's it. You have this great hat. It's comfortable. It looks cute. There's all kinds of amazing different patterns of fleece out there, so you can kind of mix it up. And you can do several, because if your kids are like my kids, they will lose their hat before winter's over and you need to have a supply ready, right? If you like this project, I have several more on my website, FleeceFun.com, and several more hat patterns. I even have modifications to the hat patterns if you want to add like puppy ears or bear ears and cute stuff like that. All those are available on my website. Go check it out there. Please give me a thumbs up for my hard work here. I sure do appreciate it. And subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. And let me know in the comments below if your kids lose their fleece hats as much as mine do.